So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today you are joining us, I'll introduce you the rest in a minute, on a walk on the South Downs link. We got the train to Shoreham this morning and we're walking all the way back to Horsham. It's about a marathon length of walking, so yeah, should be an interesting day. I'll introduce you to the guys in a minute. Dave, say hi. This is Dave. This is Sarah. She's been on camera before. Bloody hope so. Anyway, if not, I went to Italy with someone that looks a lot like you. It was me. Hey, friends. Hey. I could do without all these puddles though, even though my shoes are waterproof. Oh. Hi, buddy. Well, that's it. No one else stopped to talk to the sheep. Sheep? Horse? That's a huge sheep. First problem of the day. I guess we're going over. We can't go around it. We'll have to go through it. Is it connected at the other end? Oh yeah, it feels very connected.
Yeah, I was going to try and move it, but...
Alright, Hercules. There's nowhere like good to put your foot. Was that me or my knees? Okay, we're good. Me or my knees? The tree or my knees? We found civilization, Dave.
No. Thank God.
Thank God. Oh, Thomas the Tank Engine's in front of me. Didn't know that. Oh. I don't think I've ever been in this little village.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay.
Oh yes. Lovely. Lovely. The way you two look at me when I have to turn my chest to look somewhere. My eyes.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes. My tits need to see this. Stop number one. Stay. How are the legs?
Good.
How are the legs?
All right.
Good.
Yeah.
How are the legs? Iffy. Cheers.
Cheers.
How many more miles?
Up 20.
I hope not. What? 70 more miles?
About 10k, so yeah.
Right.
Yeah, we've done 8. No, nearly 9K.
Catch you in a bit.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, they're rolled again. Dave, second line.
What song?
Whew. It's bloody windy today, I'll tell you that. I want to talk to the camera more, but I don't want to blow your eardrums out. So, when it's quiet like this, we'll do it. Still got about 16 miles to go. It's raining back where we live, and we're walking towards that. So, wondering when the crap weather's going to come back in. But for now, it's bloody glorious. It came down like bombs, and then suddenly just didn't, so... 10 miles. Nearly halfway. Nearly bloody halfway. Quick check-in. How's everyone feeling?
Loving life.
Sneezy?
Feet hurt a bit.
Yeah, achy feet. Achy feet is like the vibe of the day, I think.
Hungry.
Yeah. Having a good time? Okay. We're nearly at the pub. How you feeling?
I'm feeling it in my feet. Like my right foot.
Yeah, me too. We just did a lot of walking not on tarmac, on uneven ground, and I feel like I've aged on that little bit of the walk. But yeah, excited for food.
Regret is creeping in.
No, regret's good. We're not regretting anything. Don't do it.
Just hungry.
Stay strong. Yeah, getting hangry. Dave's powerhouse to head because he's hungry. Okay, sad update. The pub we went to stopped serving food like about an hour and a bit before we got there, and they don't start serving again until like an hour's time. So we've got like a half an hour detour to a different pub to get different food, and we're gonna have to eat it at pace and get back on the road because it's gonna be like 6 o'clock by the time we finish at this pub, and we still got like a 3-hour walk after that. So anything to add, Dave?
Nothing. Let's have fun.
That's the energy I need. Sarah, anything else? No, she's just thumbs up in. Energy, that's what we need. All right, let's go. We made it. We're here. We're here. Finally, food's on the way. Good work.
Probably like
Four
4 hours later than
4 hours later than we wanted it, but cheers.
Cheers.
14 miles down, many more to come. Catch you in the next bit. The food has arrived. Happy faces all round. We're back at it. 15k to go. Too full of food. I need a nap. I don't know about you guys. I could really do with a nap instead of this walk. We're walking on what was train tracks now. These are the platforms. Got a controller up there. It's the old sign. Wild. Bless you. Remnants of a day gone by. It's wild. Check-in time. We're nearly 19 miles in. Got about 90 minutes, 80 minutes of walking left. In pain?
I'm struggling.
In pain? Dave?
Oh, yeah. My feet are killing me.
It's a painful, yeah, it's a painful part of the walk.
Great.
But it's beautiful out here.
Getting the burger.
Yeah. We did eat way too much food, knowing that we had to continue this walk. We got greedy. We've made bad choices, but this whole day was a bad choice. But it's beautiful as hell out here, and so we're going to keep pushing. And
29 kilometres just here.
yeah, we're nearly there.
Don't like big crowds or dreary storm clouds. She don't like big crowds. She's just a country man's wife. She don't mind listening to my shaky voice, chiming out melodies.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye.
This is where Dave leaves us.
I depart.
Good work, sir. Good work.
Well done, bravo. Have a
Thank
safe
you.
journey. Safe walks. Safe walks.
Let us know when you get your train.
I will. 20 minutes, so
I'll give you a shout in a bit.
I'll let you know when I get home.
Okay, love you, bye.
Fare thee well, people.
Bye-bye. Okay. Thank you for joining us. See you later. Okay, this way? I think so. Okay, let's go. After all this walking, I cannot stress to you how much seeing steep steps like this was not on my wish list. Oh, Jesus. It's alright, we get to go back uphill again. Yay. Dave, when you watch this back, you lucked out. You missed out on all the stairs on the hills.
She don't mind lifting up her soothing voice for a midnight lullaby.
So, did you just say that it's actually quite nice? Going up the stairs. Okay, after finding a route that was definitely the route back, but definitely hasn't been cleared for a while, and fighting our way through several bushes, we've made it onto the road. I will check back in with you when we've made it back to the train station. We're about maybe half an hour. Sorry, did you just say if we make it? Yeah, so I'll check back in with you when/if we make it back to the train station. It's about half an hour, and if you've seen me before that, something interesting's happened. Hell yeah. We made it. After all of that, we're at the train station, and guess what? We're getting an Uber.
Yes.
Train's too long away. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And say goodbye, Sarah.
Goodbye.
Catch you in the next one. Oh my god, we went so much further than I thought.